Okay, here's a video for the two small bugs that I found when you are changing the track info. So the first one is not really a big issue, but just pointing it out. If I go inside to edit the info, I don't know if you can see it there. The information has been highlighted. Okay, if I move off of it, and then for example I press Control and A, you'll see that it does not highlight. Okay, although it doesn't highlight, if you begin to type after pressing Control and A, it's clear that although you didn't see it highlight, it did. It's nothing big, but just pointing it out to you. Let me just press Escape. I think what should happen, just so we're clear, is when I press Control A, I should get this effect in the end. I'm actually pressing, Shift and arrow right. So as you can see, I'm highlighting all of the text. Okay, that's pressing Shift with the left and the right arrow. Okay, I believe how it is now when it's fully lighted is what should happen when I press Control A. Okay, that is the first one, which is very minor. The other one is, for example, if I was to highlight all of the tracks inside of this crate, it happens to be 3 tracks, and I change, for example, I will change the information in this field. I just add the number 5 on the end of it. So now all of them will change when I press Enter. It's going to ask for the confirmation. I press Y for yes. Now what's happened is the information is changed. That's not the problem. What the problem is now the focus has moved down to here instead of staying up here. So if I was to continue trying to, for example, if I press the up or the down key, I am already over here, where normally I'm editing here, so I don't see why the focus would jump over to my crates instead of staying inside the crate that I am on. I'll just show you one more time just so we're clear. I highlight all 3 tracks. I remove the 5 on the end just for the example. Press Enter. Now when I press yes to confirm, previously in other versions of Itch, the focus should stay inside the crate. So when I press yes, as you can see, the focus has moved down to here. So if I continue up or down, I'm moving outside of the crate which I am currently using, it should have stayed in here. So when I press up or down, it should have went like this. It done it that time because I just clicked one more time inside of the crate. But normally that should happen automatically after you do the confirmation of the changes.